So when it comes to folding phones, they're extremely cool, but not cheap, but at the same time, very cool. Now, as far as my favorite one to be using right now, I got to tell you guys, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is amazing. This has been my go-to foldable for the last 6+ months, and it's still relatively affordable considering these type of phones go for over $1,000. Now, I've actually compared the folding of this phone to a saltine cracker. I know that's a really weird comparison, but hey, I just did it. It's also got the really cool cover display. You can see I got a little bit of a rabbit jumping right there in the air. Now, another thing you could do with this phone is turn it into a mini Game Boy. And I actually wanted to throw up a quick emulator with a game so you guys could see what I'm talking about. Now, you just throw up the emulator, you flip the phone up a little bit, and now you've turned your phone into a mini Game Boy. I mean, how cool is that? I'm actually going to play this game for like 30 seconds or so. It's Tekken 3. Of course, as I'm going over the Z Flip 3, if you guys are looking for some of the best foldables out there right now, I'll have some resource links in the description. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is go over some of the video and sound quality in this phone, so let's check that out.
We've lost the square. We can't hold it.
Okay, next I'm going to get into some gaming on the Z Flip 3, playing Marvel Contest of Champions and then In the Dead 2. So let's get right into it. Okay, bottom line, if you're in the market for a foldable, I would recommend checking out the Galaxy Z Flip 3. The phone has hit all of my expectations. It's one of my favorite phones to be using. You could purchase this phone for under $1,000 currently. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching it. We'll see y'all in the next video.